Welcome to Jess Quick News Broadcast. I'm Jess from Huxtello iTech Solutions, and today we're bringing you an urgent call to action from the Ghana National Association of Teachers, or GNAT. They are demanding immediate engagement from all stakeholders to tackle the growing issue of indiscipline in schools. GNAT is calling for heads of schools, parents, educators, and civil society groups to come together to address the alarming behaviors being displayed by students. The General Secretary of GNAT, Tanko Musah, believes that without swift action, our future leaders might surprise us in a way we're not prepared for. His comments follow a tragic incident at Accra's O'Reilly Senior High School, where a final-year student was fatally stabbed in a fight with a classmate. The disagreement, reportedly over whose father was wealthier, escalated to violence, leaving Edward Borkiti Saki, a general arts student, with multiple stab wounds. The culprit, a visual arts student named Godwin, has since been arrested by the police, but the loss of life has shaken the school and the nation. Social media videos showed frantic efforts by fellow students to rush Edward to the hospital, but sadly, he was pronounced dead on arrival. On behalf of GNAT, Mr. Musah expressed deep condolences to the family of the victim and the entire O'Reilly SHS community for this terrible loss. While this incident is deeply tragic, it reflects a growing concern in schools across the country. According to GNAT, teachers are increasingly finding it difficult to discipline students without facing backlash, either from parents who sometimes come to attack teachers or from students themselves, who are becoming more defiant and even violent. GNAT reports that students are coming to school with weapons, including knives, and the confidence with which they challenge authority is becoming dangerous. Mr. Musah likened this attitude to the boldness of those involved in illegal mining, commonly known as galamsey. He noted that insults and attacks on teachers have become a daily affair, making it almost impossible to instill discipline without serious repercussions. GNAT is now calling for a national stakeholders meeting to address this critical issue. They believe that character development in students is being overlooked and warn that if we don't act soon, we could face more tragedies like the one at O'Reilly SHS. According to Mr. Musah, the aspect of character molding is lost on us, and it is time for all stakeholders, schools, parents, and society at large, to come together to restore discipline and safety in our educational institutions. GNAT is sounding the alarm because the behaviors being exhibited by students are dangerous, not just to schools, but to society as a whole. We need to act now. That's it for today's Jess Quick News broadcast. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to follow this important story. I'm Jess from Huxtello iTech Solutions. Thank you for watching.